Tired of Firefox opening to a page you don't want? Learn how to set your exact home page in under 2 minutes. We'll cover 2 methods, using the Home button and through Settings, plus how to set multiple pages or a blank page. Start by going to the Firefox Help page on setting the home page. You'll see a link about Session Restore. If you want Firefox to reopen your previous tabs instead of your home page, that's where you'd go. Then, click on the section for setting your home page through the Home button. Note that the Home button isn't shown by default, so you may need to customize your toolbar to add it. Now, open the web page you want to use as your home page. Now, you'll set your home page through Firefox Settings. Click the Menu button and select Settings. In Settings, click the drop-down menu next to Homepage and choose from the options. The Firefox Home default is selected by default, which shows the default home page. You can also set multiple pages as your home page. Click the link to learn how. The page explains that you can set a group of pages as your home page. Then click the link to set them as your home page group. Alternatively, you can set a blank page as your home page. And that's it. Your home page is now configured. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.